Pereira, he's getting ready.
Yeah.
He's at least getting ready in his mind.
Would it be Alex, or do you think it would be
Alex.
really?
Yeah,
So the Tom ship has sailed.
No, it hasn't sailed, but the big money fight is Alex
At
and
the White
John
House,
Jones
right?
at the White House.
Yeah.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Yeah.
Catch weight. Make
Yeah.
it 225. You know, Alex still is the light heavyweight champion. Make it a catch weight fight. You don't have to be for a title. Make it the bad mother upper edition. You know, you have the BMF belt for 155ers. The John Jones Alex Pereira fight will probably be the biggest fight in human history.
I mean, that
in
at
MMA,
the White House?
In MMA, but as a matchup, you got the greatest of all time in John Jones, and arguably the most destructive striker that's ever competed.
Yeah.
No one's like that guy.
That
Peloton?
Hey, brother. Show some.